So, ang naiwan dito, si x cube minus 16 divided by 2 is 8 equals 0. Okay? This is our topic, perfect cubes. The cube root of a number a is the solution of the equation x cubed equals a, or it is denoted by the cube root of a. Okay, so let's have an example, letter A. Solve x cubed equals 27. Okay, so una, we have to copy yung x, hindi na kasama si cube, equals the cube root of 27. Kasi yung x cube natin dyan, magiging the cube root of a. Ito yun si a natin, si 27. Okay, so x equals the cube root of 27. So x equals 3. Kasi 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. Okay? Okay, let's have another example. Letter B, 2x cubed minus 16 equals 0. So, ang gagawin natin dito, we have to divide both members of the equation by the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is 2. Okay? So, 2x cubed minus 16 equals 0. So, divide natin yan, both members of the equation by the coefficient of x, si 2. Okay? Divide din natin yan by 2. Ngayon, i-cancel natin yan si 2. So, ang naiwan dito, si x cubed minus 16 divided by 2 is 8 equals 0. Okay? Ngayon, i-transpose natin yan si negative 8 to the right side, or mag-add tayo ng 8 sa left, mag-add din tayo ng 8 dito sa right. So, x cubed minus 8, mag-add tayo ng 8 dito, equals 0, mag-add din tayo ng 8 dito sa right side. Pwede nyo nang i-diretso, i-transpose mo, pwede yun, So, x cube, i-cancel natin yan kasi negative 8 plus 8 is 0. So, equals 0 plus 8 is 8. Okay? Then, dito tayo sa taas para makita. So, x, wala na yung cube dyan. Lagay natin dito sa cube root of 8. Then, x, anong cube root ng 8? 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. Therefore, yung final answer natin dito, x is equal to 2. Okay, bye-bye.